Hi from all of us at Happy Tales. We've put together this video to help you understand the rules of the game you received with your box. We hope you enjoy experimenting with it as much as we enjoyed putting it together for you. In this video, we will take you through a step-by-step process on how to play your game. Your game comes in two parts, a board and the pegs that go into the board. You will notice that the pegs have a hollow so that you can hide treats in them when you put them into the board. Now let's see how to play this game. Your guides for today are going to be Arya, Crimson, Nila, Mischief and me, Preeti. Some things for you to remember before we start. This is not school, it's fun. Go in expecting to have fun and not teach your dog what to do. Your excitement translates to your dog, so your body language is really important. Do not start the game when you are in a hurry. Sit down with your box when you and your dog have some time on your hands. At every step, remember to keep praising your dog.
Very good.
Be excited. Remember that your approval and happiness is what drives them.
Okay. It's too difficult for her, no? So we have to make it a little bit easier. We'll go back and we'll try again. Okay?
At any point, if you feel that it's becoming difficult, stop. Take a break and come back to it after a few hours or the next day. You don't have to figure this out in one sitting, even though this video may make it seem that way. Take your time and enjoy the process. Don't try and rush through it. If you find that your dog is not motivated enough, you could increase the incentive by increasing the number of treats, or go back a step to the point where it was easier for you and your dog and start again from there. Shall we start? Identify a quiet spot in your home where you and your pet will not be distracted or disturbed by too many people, noises and smells. Place the game on the floor without the pegs. Keep the pegs away to a side for now. Keep a bowl of smallish sized treats handy. Place the treat in one of the hollows of the board. Make sure your dog sees you placing it in the hollow. Now let your dog pick it up from the hollow in the board. Repeat this a few times, wearing the hollows so your dog learns that the hollows in the board contain treats. Now take one peg. Place a treat in one hollow and place the peg horizontally over the hollow. Your dog will attempt to push the peg away and get the treat.
Good job. Good job.
Praise him for understanding that he must get past obstacles for the treat. Repeat this action 4 to 5 times to reinforce your dog's understanding that the peg has to be moved to get the treat. Now place the treat in the same hollow and put the peg in at a very slight angle. Let your dog watch you doing these actions. He or she will push the peg aside to get to the treat. Congratulate your dog and yourself. That's no small achievement. Repeat this a few times. Now, put a treat and place the peg at a slightly greater angle so it does not come out as easily when the dog nudges at it. Now he or she will have to use just a little more effort to push the peg out of the way. Encourage and remind them of what lies beyond the peg. Repeat at least 8 or 10 times till the dog is comfortable doing this action. Place the treat and put the peg in completely. Now remember, your dog knows that under the peg lies the treat and has been successful at getting to the treat repeatedly. He or she will go for the peg with gusto and use any means possible to get to the treat. Let them try whatever they want. Some might try to push the board. If they do, hold the edges so the board is not pushed away. Some might try to roll over the board. That's okay. Some might walk away and pretend not to be interested. Don't give up. Call them back and go back a step so that he or she is motivated to try again, or increase the number of treats to make it more exciting for them. Now place a treat under 2 pegs and repeat the process. Soon your dog will figure out that there are multiple pegs and treats under them and will start pushing them all over to get to the treats. Now place all the pegs in the board. Place treats only under some of the pegs. Your dog will instinctively start pushing over the pegs to get the treats. However, he will find that some pegs have treats and some don't. Repeat this process and soon you will find that he or she will start going only for the pegs that have the treats. Congratulations! Now you know how to play the game. From here on, innovate in any way you like. Place pegs with multiple treats or maybe just one peg with a treat while all others are empty. It's up to you. Happy Tales!